Hello and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. In this set of videos we're talking about naturalization. Now there are certain requirements that need to be met in order to qualify for naturalization. First, you must be a lawful permanent resident. You cannot become a U.S. citizen through naturalization until you are a lawful permanent resident. Now, there is a couple issues with this. One, if you're a conditional permanent resident, meaning that you married, for example, a U.S. citizen and you got a conditional green card, not the permanent one, you may be eligible for citizenship if you accrued the residence period even though you have not filed the petition to remove the conditional residency or had that lifted. Meaning that, if there's 2 years that you need in order to file the petition to remove the conditional residency before you become a U.S. citizen, and then, let's say you file that later and a year later you get your more permanent green card, not the conditional one, you can actually count back from the time you got your original conditional green card as far as being able to ultimately apply for residency. So that's one issue. Another is military duty. Now, where a person honorably served in a time of war or declared hostilities during a period designated by the President of the United States, then lawful permanent residence status is not required in this particular case. And even though you have undocumented status in that particular incident, you are eligible to apply for U.S. citizenship. So those are a couple options that are available when dealing with the first requirement that you have to be a lawful permanent resident. Okay, more in the coming videos.